Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini to create background music for your videos. So it's really simple. All we have to do is go to gemini.google.com and we should be greeted with the prompt page. I'm going to click on this create music tab and now I can describe my track. So let's say I want to create a lo-fi jazzy background track. The track should have a seamlessly looping melody from start to finish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press enter and I'm gonna give it a minute or two to generate. So the reason why I added that seamlessly looping detail is so that if I ever have to extend it, all I have to do is duplicate it a few times while I'm video editing. If you would like to customize it further, you can also add more details with what you want to hear. So let's read through the response: warm Fender Rhodes progression and a mellow tenor saxophone melody. The track is designed to loop seamlessly, making it perfect for focused work or relaxation. So I'm gonna give it a quick listen. Pretty good. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to hear. I double checked if it really did loop seamlessly and it sounds like it did. All I would have to do in post-processing would be to duplicate the track a few times in my timeline. So I'm very satisfied with this output and hopefully you find similar results. So that was how to create background music using Google Gemini. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. Thank you for watching.